Back to the Charles Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on AVAX. Bitcoin is currently testing the previous high of 31.4k. We need to close a 1 hour candle above this line right here in order for us to go to the next point to the upside, which is at 34k. Let's look at the chart. So we've been trading sideways for the last couple of days around the 30k area for Bitcoin, and we made this high right here at 31.4k approximately, and we're currently testing that area. We've peaked above it slightly, but we retrace now. The next 1 hour candle will be detrimental for the price, because if we reject from this current point, the next target to the downside could be at 28k or even down to 27k. But if we hold and break above it and close a 1 hour candle above this high, we could go to 34k. As you see right now, we are currently rejecting this area, but there is like 57 minutes left of this 1 hour candle. Let's go to lower time frames. We can see a purple candle with a wick. If it closes like this, and if it's blue or purple with a big wick to the upside, that could indicate a reversal from this point, which isn't good if we want price to go to 34k. As you can see, we need to pay attention to how this candle closes, because the next target to the downside is possibly here to 30.4k again. So we could do a Bart Simpson here, which means that we go sideways, up and down, down, and then down. Exactly as Bart Simpson said. That's why it's called a Bart Simpson. But we need to wait and see how this candle closes on the 15-minute time frame. Or we could go even lower and see what happened on the 5-minute time frame. As you can see, a lot of VIX and volume candles to the upside, which indicates a reversal possibly, because that indicates a climatic move. And we could reverse from this point right here, go even lower on a 3-minute time frame. No wicks, a lot of volume candles in this area. So yeah, let's wait and see what the 15-minute candle does. We'll come back to that in the end of this video and see if it's possible that we close. But the most important thing is that we close this 1 hour candle above 30.434. If we do that, hold it, next target to the upside is at 34k. If we zoom out a bit, I've shown you this pattern previously. We created a double bottom formation right here, first leg up, we had our first retrace down to 19k and then up here. So the next possible move could be up to 40k in my opinion, and that is where we could form a double top formation and price will reverse from there in 3 steps. As you know, the market maker likes to do that. So this could be the next wave to the upside if we break above this point at 31.4k. If we take a look at the news events for this week, not much going on. We had a non-farm employment change. We had the OPEC meetings, which can dictate what oil might do in its next impulsive wave, possibly to the upside, which is bearish for crypto. And not much going on after that. We have the non-farm employment change on Friday as well. Not big news events in my opinion. If we take a look at the liquidation map, a lot of people have taken some profits or got liquidated. So not much money is left in the chart. The next big point is here at 27k. But that is a lot of money. Could be like $200 million. To the upside, there's none basically. The next big point is at 37k. Interesting to see. A lot of people have took away their trades in the recent days. So keep that in mind. We could see a big volatile move to get some interest from traders whether to the upside or to the downside. Let's take a look at the AVAX. So moving on to AVAX, we can see that we've seen a nice quick pump to the upside, coinciding with the Bitcoin pump. The next targets to the upside, well, we've taken this volume candle right here, which I marked off in the chart, so we can take that away at $13.08. Take that away. So the next target to the upside is here at 13.6k. If we break that, we could go all the way up to 13.96. And if we zoom out a bit and look on the bigger picture of this move, we created a double bottom formation, as you can see right here. Big wick on the 1 hour time frame, and we were consolidate for a while and then created a double bottom formation. So what we could expect is another move to the upside, possibly up to 16.5k. That would be the finish of the second leg to the upside, a retrace down, and then a third and final leg up. So the targets to the upside could be here to $20 or even up to $21, where we might form a double top formation of some kind and then move to the downside again. Something like this could happen in the next impulsive move to the upside if Bitcoin sustains its move to the upside as well. I told you about Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame. Let's summarize this video with that. Look at Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame and see if this volume candle could possibly close as a solid candle above this area. As you can see, we have 2 minutes left and it looks like it's not going to be a wick. We have a solid green volume candle, if you see in the PVSRA tool, which could be an indication that we actually might close the 1 hour candle above this point right here sooner rather than later. So positive news for us if we want to see a 34k Bitcoin in the near future. With that being said, none of this was financial advice. I hope you learned something today and that you like and subscribe. See you soon. Big Boss out.